Hello and welcome back to the Hobby Goblin. Gonna continue opening up some Gundam trading card packs. See what else we can pull. Got the Goon. That's probably not how it's pronounced. Mistral, another Gauf, Zoot, Wing Gundam, G-Sky Easy, Mid-Air Modifications, Chang Wu-Fei. That's a custom. Desert Tiger, Battle of Aces, Delta Plus, and Gundam Unicorn Resource. Oh, there we go. Got the nice cards in the back focused in. Covert Operative, Assault on Torrington Base, Gallus K, Gyaradoga, or Pisces, Stark Jagan, Gelgoog, Zanzibar, Gyaradoga Heavy Arms, Gundam Heavy Arms, Gundam Aerial Rare, Deep Devotion, and Charzaku Token. Or resource card. Guess there's kind of a difference. Stealth Stratagem, Signs of Revolution, Naval Bombardment, Zaku 2, Gundam Elfrith, Dop, Sword Strike Gundam, Michalis, Show of Resolve, always nice to get some draw cards, Kshatriya, Choo Choo's Demi Trainer, ooh, LR Gundam, and another Wing Gundam Resource. What I really want to do is I want to find a way to make my Zaku deck viable again. If anyone watching this knows anything about deck building for the Gundam card game and wants to give me some tips for building a Zeon deck, that would be appreciated. Last time I tried to use them at my locals, I just lost miserably. Oh, M1 Astray, Girazulu, Overflowing Affection. Always need more of these to put more decks together. Kusanagi. Shamblo. It's really unfortunate. Shamblo is such a cool Gundam. And in the game it just sucks. And Dual Gundam. Oh, Dual Gundam Resource. Look at that. I don't remember if I don't believe it was in my Big Gundam video, but I don't know if I've actually showed my model of Dual Gundam. Maybe I'll have to bring that one out for the next video. Zaku 2. A Testing Sector. The Gauf. Naval Bombardment. Zoot. Sign of Revolution. Gundam Death Scythe. Launcher Strike Gundam. G-Fighter. Rick Dom. Intercept Orders. Fortress Defense. So Dozzle here. That's the pilot from my favorite boy Big Zam. And a foil Wing Gundam Zero resource. That's probably going to be the only foil one in the box. Unfortunately, I already have one for Wing Gundam Zero. But you can never have too many foil resources. Gotta flex on people somehow when you're losing matches. That's side 7. Gog, Rizal, Path to Victory or Defeat, Racid's Orders, that's Ellen Saris, Adzum, Gyul, Guntank, Nahel Argama, we got Duo, and a Gundam Unicorn Mode, and then a Freedom Gundam Resource. That's all for these 6 packs. We'll see what cool cards we have for the recap. Alright, so first off, go over the resources here. Charzaku, Unicorn, Wing Zero, Dual, Freedom, and then the nice foil Wing Zero. command cards and pilots here. Got Deep Devotion, Battle of Aces, Intercept Orders. Got a nice Dozzle Zobby. We'll put that over there with Big Zam. There you go. You can go live with your mech. And then we got Duo. Oh, I forgot. See Death Scythe's pilot. God. Oh, it's terrible. I should know this. And for the rare units, Gundam Aerial, Delta Plus, Choo Choo's Demi Trainer, Shamblo, Dual Gundam, the Unicorn Gundam Unicorn mode, and then the LR Gundam RX-78-2. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and hope to see you again next time.